We would print out the old project schedules, and the guys typically would just leave them on the table.
We had Microsoft Project, we have P6, we're also using Excel.
We've had issues with getting people in the field, buying into the schedule. We're always looking for better options in everything that we do.
The level of transparency that Outbuild provides, once you put it up on a screen, you show all the changes as you do them in real time, how it affects a job.
It's much quicker, it's much more intuitive.
And it's easy for the guys in the field to learn.
A lot more of our superintendents are interested in building a schedule in Outbuild, and that was kind of the aha moment.
Easy to manipulate, easy to update. No logic spaghetti where they move something and the schedule just explodes.
The coordination between the field and the office is pretty much seamless. The iPad integration, being able to be out in the field talking with foremen, showing them how their tasks or progress, lack of progress affects the overall job.
The Outbuild support teams have been great. We've had training sessions in the office. They've been very responsive. I've been impressed. The amount of information that's in there, the efficiencies that it increases for you as an operator are great.
It's live, it's interactive. The time savings is tremendous on my end.
We've got superintendents that love it. We've got project managers that love it. They don't want to use anything else.